昨日だ4時間か5時間ぐらいなんかポストマックの持って帰っちゃった
We'll bring him over the bridge and then hopefully he'll slow down and come straight on to the left. There you go, a little air. It's almost as good as a donut. Richard Burns and Robert Reed. Crossing the finish line now, he has done it. It's taken a couple of attempts. A couple of attempts to get to the finish line in New Zealand. Last year saw his demise in the Motu, but this year he's made it to the finish line. Not only made it, he's won the smoke-free rally of New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Burns and Robert Reed. And that's a pretty happy smile as well. Maybe Richard, you'd like to say a couple of words before they give you the champagne?
Just a quick thank you to the organisers, my team, the sponsors, obviously Rothmans. I don't suppose Smoke Free are too happy about that, but we all are. But thank you to all the boys. Thank you.
Thanks, Richard. And the Evolution 3, Mitsubishi Lancer. Here we go. Stand back. Let's hear it again for them. They've driven a magnificent rally, handled the conditions well. The car's hardly got a scratch on it. They've done a great job, so without them, the car wouldn't be here as well. There we go, sets it up nicely, flat out. There you go, the Impreza Airborne straight onto the finish podium. Oh, beautiful stuff. In second place. So his handbrake doesn't work, guys, so I'm very sorry. He doesn't want to take it any further. Oh, well. Maybe we'll just try the old gear shift then. So here he is, Kenneth Eriksson and Stefan Parmander. Second place in the smoke-free rally of New Zealand. And maybe just a couple of words, Stefan, before you, Kenneth, before you crack the champagne.
Sorry?
Just tell us a little bit about it. Good event?
Yeah, very good event. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch Richard and the Mitsubishi, but he was really trying hard for 3 days, and we couldn't catch it this time. So, but we had a nice run, and it's back to the second.
Excellent. Congratulations. Still leading the Asia Pacific Rally Championship for Subaru. Well, they know how to spray the champagne. Kenneth Eriksson, Stefan Parmander. As I said, he might be just wanting to keep the car together. Get it up onto the finish ramp with a checkered flag. Here we go. Conceding to car 3 comes home in third place. Started the event in third on the road. And third overall in the smoke-free rally of New Zealand, Pierro Liatti and Recce Jones from Italy. And a 2-3 finish for the Subaru 555 team as well. No, don't waste it. Take it with you and do it. There they go. Third overall, and we're actually, once they park the car, we're going to bring the drivers and co-drivers in first, second and third place back up into the podium. Then out throws second. First overall, Recce Jones and Robert Reed from Great Britain. Second place, Kenneth Eriksson and Stefan Parmenda. And finishing third overall, Pierro Liatti and Recce Jones. Ladies and gentlemen, there's our first, second and third place getters in the 1996 Smoke-Free Rally of New Zealand. A warm round of applause, folks. There they are. Put your hands together, folks, for them one more time. It's been hard work out there for the past 4 days. They've done well and given us a great event. Get on the grass! Not quite the same as the South Zealand. There you go.
The wonderful little Skoda gets into